Hi everyone, I'm Logan Morris from Bowater Hyundai and Isuzu and Renault, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about my classic car.
Right, Logan, so this is quite the machine. What are we looking at?
Okay, so it's a 1972 Fiat 500, which New Zealand they're called the Fiat Bambina, but I've done a bit of a replica of an Abarth model, so it's got a slightly tweaked motor and it's got a 5-speed conversion, slightly upgraded suspension, and the wheels, badging, the logo, all the upholstery I've done, all in red. It used to be black, so it's quite period looking now, and I've got a beautiful Nardi steering wheel in there. Yeah, it's just an absolute fun car to drive, absolutely fun.
Now, why the Fiat 500?
My parents were always into Italian cars. Yeah, basically been brought up with Italian cars. My father used to rebuild them. I had one in 1991 as my first car, and that's where I got my interest in vehicles. Yeah.
Right, show us the motor, come on.
This is one little area where I haven't quite tidied it up as much as I'd like, but there it is, the twin air-cooled. So it's a 650 rather than the 499, so it gets along really well.
That's a tiny engine, isn't it?
It is, yeah. But you know, we get 4 adults in there. Yeah, chug away, no trouble at all.
You get 4 adults in here?
Yeah, absolutely.
Right, hop in, let's see.
People are quite surprised how much room they do have. So there we go.
So, neither of us are small guys.
No.
And here we are. We've got a little bit of headroom.
Yep, you got to wear your sun hat, that's for sure, especially on a day like this.
What a fantastic car.
Yeah, no, absolutely love it.
So, how long has this restoration taken?
So I've been doing it over the last 4 years, but it's always been a runner. It's actually always been on the road, so it's just been improving all the time.
And other cars in your stable?
I've got a Hyundai Venue, great car, stands out from most of them with the green and the grey. Yeah, no, it's a cool car, and yep.
Fantastic. So here you go, Logan and his Fiat Bambina.
Cool.